This one had a saddle in like 2020. Oh, the purses. Oh my god. Oh, I have that. Will I become rich?
Concentrate and ask anything.
Will I become rich?
It is directly so.
Yes! I always wanted a bread. No, I'm just saying like seriously. Really? Maybe that's not what it's used for. Why? I guess. I want a Batmobile. I know.
There's like that.
No, that's like more like I want the adult.
It's like usually like the blocker.
Yeah. Dad has this one. Jalen, it spins. I don't know.
I want burps so bad. Burp is literally my favorite. Like I don't even know. Like you don't know how much badly I want.
It's probably not even it. No, like in the box.
You can't tell because online. If you send it to the bottom, the collection guide.
What happened to your hand?
I was testing out.
It looks yellow on the
I know I tested out the widest ones, and it was that.
You're not even oh, look at the crispy crunch. For kids.
Go.
Oh, these are cute.
Gosh, smell it.
Oh.
Just like the candy.
Oh my gosh, it does. So, okay, so we just got back like 20 minutes ago from shopping, and I'm gonna give you a haul. So I'm gonna move on to the category clothes. So the first item, hold on, because I was trying it on. I got this long dress. It's for church and it has a split at the end, and it's really cute. Has it scrunched up like right here. And I was gonna wear it with a jean jacket that my sister has. And then the next thing that that was from Goodwill. And then the next thing that I got was this blue dress. You can't even see. Got this blue dress, and it's really pretty. It's also kind of long, goes like this. And then, oh, that was also from Goodwill. And then I got this from Burlington, I think. It's a cute leather jacket that's supposed to be layered and has this hoodie. It's fluffy inside. Sleeves are like this, and it's really cute. It's a cute pattern like this. And then, so this is the jacket. It's really nice. It has like good pattern. It's gray. It has a good material. Next thing that I got was these jeans. I also got them from Goodwill, and they still have the tag on it from the previous one, and it was Express. And Express is expensive, and it was $88. I think I got a good steal. Next thing that I got was from Target, was the Camaro Chevrolet, and Jalen got the same one. So we're gonna be twinsies. And I got this from Target too, and I got this shirt. It's Muhammad Ali, and he's like a boxer, and he's like the OG basically. And I got it, and I think it's really cute because I'm doing boxing too. Really cute. I think it's from the men's section though, but it's fine. The next thing that I got. Let's move on to beauty care. So the next, I can sit down for this. The next thing that I got next thing that I got was these eyelashes, and they come with like, I don't even know. And then I got these other ones that are from Ulta, and they're really pretty. And then I'll just bring the bag over. I got this climate control oil that goes in your hair. My hair is really frizzy, and I thought this would help. And it's like a spray, you scrunch it too, I think. And then the second thing that I got was detangler because I need it. And it has coconut milk, and that's like, I think coconut's supposed to be really good for your hair, so I think that this will be good because my hair gets tangled easily. And then I got this, oh, I forgot to tell you where it's from. This is from Target. This is from Ulta. Those eyelashes were from Ulta too. This is from Bath and Body Works. It's a mini version of my favorite scent, and it smells so good. And it's shampoo. Here, you can like, there you go. And then I got gifts for my friend, but I'm not gonna spoil that because she might be watching. So, and that's basically what I did today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm sorry I didn't do an intro. I don't know why I didn't do one. But bye guys. I just want to say sorry because I didn't film that much when we were shopping, and I will try to do that more often. So bye guys.